To add additional pilots, we'll first go to My Account, Users and Pilots. Here we can click Add User Pilot. Enter the pilot's information. And then down below, select what permissions you would like this pilot to have. Grant user full access will give them admin privileges to the account. After saving, we can see that this pilot has been added. And if we need to go back, we can edit those permissions later on. To add a DJI, Autel, or Parrot login, we'll first click on My Account, DJI login, add a new login, select which pilot we would like this login information to go under, and then hit save. Once we've added the pilot, it'll ask here if we would like to sync. We will go ahead and sync our pilot's credentials. To manage our pilots, hover over Manage, select Pilots. Here you can see current pilots within your system, their email address, total flights, total hours, and the day since their last flight. We can also see any documents that are about to expire. If we need to, we can add additional pilots from this menu. By selecting on a pilot, we can see this pilot's flight history, as well as any documents. To upload a document, simply drag and drop, give it a name and what type of certificate it is. And an expiration date if applicable. Once the document has been uploaded, if you need to, it can be deleted, or it can be viewed or downloaded again.
The clip you just watched is an excerpt from one of our full-length trainings available on the RMUS Crew Education portal. To get full access to this course and many others, follow the link in the description.